Hi, dear students. Welcome to a new lesson. This is lesson number 14. It's about word formation. I am Mr. Ngom and I am a teacher of English at Passy High School, and I am your coach on this YouTube channel, Ibrahima Ngom Attitude. Before I move, I want to share this piece of advice with you. Live your life well so we don't have to lie at your funeral. Lesson number 14, suffixes. In today's video, we are going to contrast and compare full versus less. Like here in colorful bird, a colorful bird, and here a homeless man. Come on. You have full and less. Whenever you see full at the end of a noun, it means full of or presence of, full of something, full of joy, full of hope, full of pain. And whenever you see less, it means without or absence of. So the main meaning of full is the presence of, and the main meaning of less is absence of. Example, when something is full of colors, it is colorful. When something or someone is full of hope, he is hopeful. So full is full of or presence of. Many colors, colorful, hope, hopeful. Now, with less, it means without or absence of. No color, colorless, without any color. 2. Without hope, you are hopeless. If a person is without hope, this person is hopeless. Is it okay, guys? Let's move. Example, painful and painless. Look at this boy. He is crying. Why? Because the vaccines are painful. And my friend who is getting a haircut is a little bit smiling. Why? Because it's not painful, it's painless. Pain is la douleur. Presence of pain, painful. Absence of pain, painless. Vaccines are really painful. And a haircut is painless. No pain. Colorful, colorless. Again, look at this parrot, a very nice bird with many colors: green, yellow, blue, white, black, gray, So, and here you have water. Water has no color. So, parrots are colorful birds. They have many colors. Whereas water has no color. Water is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. L'eau est incolore, inodore, sans saveur. Careful, with care. Attention, okay? Attentive, inattentive. So look at this boy on your left. He is driving with care. He has his 2 hands on the wheel. And look at this man on your right. He has only the left hand on the wheel and the other hand dialing on his cell phone. He is careless. So, careful driver, careless driver. Oh, look at this man, forgetful. Forgetful means someone who always forgets things. He forgets names, he forgets dates, he forgets everything. And look at the picture too. This family, they have no help. They are in the flood. Their house is under the waters and no one is helping them. They are helpless without any help. So if you often forget things, you are forgetful. If these people have no one to help them, they are helpless. Practice exercise 1. Complete with full or less. You have to complete with the suffix full or the suffix less. Come on. Use. Useful or useless. Here are two pictures. Picture 1. Picture 1 you have keys, and picture 2 also you have a key. Which one is useful? Which one is useless? Come on, you have 2 seconds. Picture 1, the keys are useful. I hope so. I think they are useful. And in picture 2, no doubt, this key is useless. So, as you can see, the keys on your left are very good. They are useful. You can use them to open a door. Whereas the older key on your right is useless. Number 2, fear. La peur. Look at this boy up in the sky here on the rock. No fear. No fear. He is quiet, calm. And look at this man here with his eyes widely opened. There is fear in his eyes. So, fearless or fearful? Picture 1, this man is fearless. In picture 2, the man is fearful. Number 3, hair. Hair. With hair or without hair? Cheveux. Bien poil. Number 4, tooth. With tooth or without tooth? Down. Look at this animal. It's a cat. This cat is hairless. No hair. Absence of hair. The cat is hairless. This man's mouth or woman's mouth has no teeth, so it is toothless. A toothless mouth. This mouth is toothless, no tooth. Color. Very nice picture. A real vortex. Look at this picture. This picture has many colors, very nice colors. So we can say that it is colorful or colorless. What is it? Wonderful. The picture is colorful. You have many colors. Look at number 6. It is 2 in the night and this woman is still asleep, working or playing or chatting on her cell phone. So, no sleep, absence of sleep. It is called sleepless. She is sleepless. A sleepless night. Please note, it's very important, guys. It's very important what's coming next. Some words can have both full and less as suffix. Others only have one. Okay? For example, both suffixes, it can be full, it can be less. Whereas some words have only one suffix. It is either full or less. Let me explain you. Example, you can have careful, you can have careless. So care can have both suffixes, full and less, at the same time. Hopeful, hopeless, possible. Painful, painless, pitiful, pitiless, joyful, joyless, shameful, shameless, helpful, helpless. So both full and less can go with care, with hope, with pain, with pity, joy, shame, help, and many others. On your right, you can have beautiful, but you can't have beauty. No. Come on. You can have wonderful, but be careful. You can have forgetful, but you can't have forget plus, the other suffix. Jobless, don't say job, okay? Sleepless, only sleepless. Hairless, only less with hair. toothLESS, only two. So these words have only one possible suffix, either it is full or less. So beauty it only goes with full, not with less. Okay. Yes, it was very good to know, a very good piece of information. You can move to practice number two. Practice number two. Complete with full or less. Here you have some sentences, and you have to complete here. Is it care or careless? Peace plus what? Less or full. Hope plus less or full. Joy plus less or full. Home plus less or full. Color, order, taste, thank, success, tooth, beauty. Put your finger on the pause button. Take a piece of paper and a pencil. Do the exercise and please send me the answers on the comments of these videos. So comment the video by sending me your answer. Once again, if I say something wrong, if I made a mistake in this video, please don't skip. Just tell me in the comments, or you have my phone number. Tell me, Mr. Ngom, I am sorry, but you made a mistake, and I will be very happy. It's okay? So it was Mr. Ngom to help you. Thank you very much. And please subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and share them. And once again, if you see some mistakes, please let me know. I am very open to critics. Thank you very much. It was Mr. Ngom from Pasi High School on Ibrahima Ngom Attitude on YouTube. Goodbye.